Hello, my name is Anthony Williams. It's 10/5/22. I'm doing this kind of late because I just got home from work. I work um, two jobs. I have a hospice job and I also work at the hospital. And I'm a chaplain for both, so I do that pretty much full time and then school as well. So I keep myself, really pretty busy. Um, I live currently in Yuma, Arizona, and it's been hot roughly, but it's starting to cool off. So it's in the 90s now, where normally it would be, hundreds, so to speak. I know you can't see me very well because of this light here, but I would say uh, my vocation is going to be a chaplain. So I'm, in the process. Um, in the hospital, I'm doing my CP units. I still will have to get, my master's in divinity, but I still am going after my bachelor's at the moment. So it's a work in progress, but we're getting there. I have birds and a rabbit as pets, and I own my own house, do my own laundry, so to speak. So my appearance kind of presents itself. I feel that when I walk into the hospital, I present as a chaplain, a man of God, basically. And I feel like I identify in that retrospect. I go in there with nothing to prove, really. It's you go in there and you want to be where the patient is at the time, and it's kind of hard when you're in hospice. And right now, they're at that point where they're scared of dying, and it takes a lot out of them, and you have to work hard at doing that. So you have to get to where they are at the present moment. Being a chaplain is tough, and it's draining sometimes, and especially when you have two chaplain jobs, it gets to be quite draining. So deep down, you have to acknowledge your feelings and make sure that later on you won't go down some kind of hill, and it's always possible in the chaplaincy job. It shows who I am. I want to be there for others and work for others. But I also know I have to take care of myself, and that's a work in progress too. So, other identities you're not able to share. Most time when you're working as a chaplain, you're not able to share your other sides to you that normally you want to get out. But it's good to acknowledge them, at least. See, like for me, for instance, I cannot go into a patient's room and burst out in anger because of what that patient is doing or saying, or giving me a hard time, whatever it is. I cannot show that kind of emotion there, but I can go outside afterwards and scream at the top of my lungs, because that's what happens sometimes. That's where you get, that's what you have to do in order to move on throughout the day. So there's definitely identities that you can and can't share in the chaplain setting. I do look forward to this class because I need to get better at communication. So communication's always been my not such a strong suit. So I'm gonna try to become a rock star at it. I consider myself like a counselor, so I'd like to become more of a better at communication as a counselor to others. I look forward to this class with you all, and have a good day.